anything that we know. We can never touch or taste unless our teacher or parents tells us to. And we can feel our bodies over. And we can't see our blood inside, but we have blood inside us. God made us the heavens and the earth. But one thing about God is He is strong and brave, and He could draw anything that He could wish. And Jesus could do anything. God could do anything. But it's that one thing I can do, and my parents, even my dad, can do anything about brave. We can see our moms and dads when they are here. We cannot see our mom and dads when they aren't here. So if we...
What are you talking about?